Hey guys, I decided to redo my dressing room. So I found some curtains that I had just laying around the house and I hung them up. But I have a few more ideas that I want to show you guys today. But first, let's get these curtains right. Now, the only thing I have left to do is to steam them and I'm going to go from there. All right, guys, this is paper from the Dollar Tree. Okay, this matched really good with my curtains. So, because it matched good with my curtains, I am going to clear off this dresser and put this as the base for my dresser. So guys, y'all know I have been redecorating my house everywhere. And I have covered this dresser before with contact paper from the Dollar Tree. And since I wanted to change my dressing room, I decided to do it again and change the colors to match the curtains. So this was the paper that was on top of my dresser, from the Dollar Tree. And that's when I had the gray and white thing in my room. And I went over my tables and my makeup table and things like that. Guys, I love switching out the looks of my room on a regular basis. And if you use the wallpaper and you have different color curtains, you can switch out any room at any time. And now we're just going to take this paper and we're going to stick it to there. Now, if you're going to use this wallpaper, the best way to use it is do not peel the back of the wallpaper off altogether, okay? You see how I'm folding it back and only pulling a little bit off at a time? Because this stuff sticks very well. And if you try to pull all the paper off at one time and then pull it back up, it is not going to stick as good as it would have the very first time. So do it exactly how I'm doing it now. The other thing that I would advise you to do, guys, is to do what I'm doing here. I'm matching it up by the veins. Now, what I mean by that is you want your wallpaper to look continuous. So flip it to see if you can match up the design with how the first piece of wallpaper was. So when you see me twist it, that's what I was doing. Also, this will protect any surface that you're going to use this wallpaper on. Now, I have a gang of ideas that I want to show you guys on how to use this wallpaper. So I probably won't do it all in this video, but be looking out for other videos to see not only how I use this wallpaper, but how this dressing room is going to turn out. I plan on using this dressing room to work out in, to dress, do my makeup, and film for you guys. So if you go back and look at some of my other videos, you will see some of the creative ways I have decorated the rest of my house. Alright guys, if you want this wallpaper to look seamless and very professional looking and flawless, I would say just overlap the creases just a little bit. You see where these two wallpaper, listen to me, you see where these two wallpapers meet? I'm only going over the edge of that previous wallpaper just a smidgen, not much, and it will look continuous and flawless, guys. So guys, by now, I hope you have commented, liked, subscribed, and shared. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And guys, I'm telling you, you're going to love the inexpensive ways and the ideas that I have come up with to decorate my home.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye.
Alright guys, unfortunately, this is the last piece of wallpaper that I had. So I am going to have to go out to the Dollar Tree and get some more wallpaper. And because this idea is so amazing, I came up with some other ways that I am going to use it. So let's go to the Dollar Tree and get some more wallpaper. Right here, I am going to finish my dresser. Let's see. Guys, you want to make sure you slightly overlap it. That'll help the separating lines go away. I only got 9 more seconds, but that's done. Then I'm going to do my Murphy table, guys. Next, I'm going to do all of that. All right, guys, we are going to move on to this Ikea dresser. Now, I have 2 of them stacked on top of one another, and each dresser holds 5 drawers. So, we are going to apply the paper to each one of these drawers, and I still have other ideas that I want to do to this dresser. But for now, what we are going to do is clean it, and we're going to apply the paper to the drawers. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is that one sheet of paper will do 2 of these drawers. So I only need, 5 sheets, but I'm going to get more paper because I have other ideas that I want to do without going too far with this wallpaper. Let me show you how easy this is going to be. Just pull out the dresser. All right, we have the drawer pulled out, and we're going to check and see which way we want this paper to be stuck to the drawer. Once you figure that out, we're just going to stick this paper up there evenly. Okay, this is behind the dresser, and you see this is where the wallpaper stopped. So I am going to take a razor blade. Where did I put the razor blade? Come on, I just had it. Okay, here it is. Got a razor blade. Y'all got to be real careful. And what you're going to do is find the very bottom of that. Try to stay very accurate. Use the bottom of your dresser as the ledge, and it slice off like that. Guys, what I am using is a double-edged razor blade, so I have to be extra careful. What you really want to use is like a single-edged razor blade or a utility knife, and that will make the cuts easier and faster. All right, before we move on to the next drawer, you see that these have dips. This one has a dip too. If you want, you can leave the drawer like that and, open it and close it. But I am going to go with the curve. So we're going to take this razor blade, guys. I don't want to get in your way. We're just going to follow the curve. Just be real careful with this, okay? See that? See how easy that is? Now, once you have the drawer shape cut out with the razor blade, just go over the drawer and cut off any wallpaper that may be left over. Because if you don't, or you try to fold it over, you're going to hear those pieces of wallpaper when you open and close the drawer. So just go over, like I'm doing now, the edges and the seams, and you will have a flawless looking drawer. Oh, guys, that is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the soft colors in that paper. Look at that. So like I said, this is the other half of the paper. You can just peel that off. Let me see here. So if that's right there, you want to match up the veins too in the paper. So match up the veins as you go on the paper, okay? That's going to really make it look pretty. So we are going to go to the very edge, and we're going to go to the very top. We want to make sure everything is perfect. Perfect. That's perfect. Look at that. If you go with this idea, you don't have to paint. And anytime you want to change your mind or the look of your room, just peel the paper off.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way
Look at that. Do it get any easier than that? Let me get you closer. Look at that. I think that looked better than just the plain white on here. This looked better than just the plain white. Guys, I want to tell you, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. You like, subscribe, thumbs up, and you share my videos. And guess what? I really do appreciate you. So, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Come on back and see what I am going to do to this dressing room in an inexpensive way. And I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.